This is what I got to deal with whenever I'm going anywhere. This. If I'm carrying a bucket, this is ow. This is what I'm dealing with. Whenever I'm carrying a bucket, I'm just trying to feed everybody and go about my business, and I'm harassed by this mongrel, this creeper, this menace. You are a menace, Holiday. A menace. That's right. I'm putting you on the news because you're a menace. He is a menace. Look at him. Look at him. As soon as I turn my back. You're a menace, Holiday. You're a menace. No bucket is safe. Hey, Cupcake. Do you need some snacks? Do you need some snacks, Cupcake? Hey, Turkey Lurkey. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. That's all I got, though. That's it. Best I can do. There's lots of seeds on the ground. Look at them chickens. Just doing chicken things. Having a dirt bath. Those are the Karen twins. They're both named Karen. Hey, Karens. Chicken lady. She hears me too. Hey, Karen. Hey, Pumpkin and Buddy. What are you doing, Pumpkin and Buddy? Hey, man. What are you doing, Holiday? How you doing? You look good. You look good. Hey, Marmalade. Making all that noise. What's up, Soot Kitty? Come here, Soot Kitty. Hey, Soot Kitty. Soot Kitty. She's not having it. She's like, where's my food, human? Soot! I already fed you, girl. Soot Kitty! Hello, Soot. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, lady. Hi, Soot Kitty. Hi, Soot Kitty. I'm coming. I'm coming. Do you want some head rubs? Do you want some head scratches? You're so beautiful. Come here. So beautiful. Such a sweetheart. What's up, Turkey Lurkey? How you doing, lady? You looking good. You looking good. You're like, it's a little bit chilly today. Not too bad, just a little chilly. These daggone birds are back up in these woods. Up to no good. Causing trouble, making me go traipsing through these woods, gonna break my neck. Where are you? I hear you. I see you. I see you. Y'all need to get back where you belong. Go on. Marmalade. I know that's you, Marmalade. Always up to no good. You trifling guinea bird. Marmalade, you inspect me to get back where you belong. Now I'm probably gonna have bugs on me. Don't be cussing me. Just get where you belong, man. Let's go. Go on. Get back where you belong. This fence is merely a suggestion. Karen. Get out of my straw, Karen. Stop making a mess, you bad chicken. Bad chicken. Time to pay the cat food tax. Time to pay the cat food tax. There you go, lady. You can have it. Here. Holiday? Such a jerk. I'm not giving you any. Here. There you go. Go away, Holiday. Here you go. Right here. Right here. Are you starving to death, Soot Kitty? Huh? Are you starving to death? Hey, Smokey. Here. There you go. Are those the best snacks? Are they the best snacks? These are the best snacks.